Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the main stand, as you can see here, straight from the pan, beautiful, super easy cauliflower fried rice. Vegetarian, vegan, healthy, delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here then. So roughly equal parts, I don't know, 4 or 5 cups maybe of rice, basmati rice, cold. Always use a nice cold rice. Warm and hot rice does not work so well when you're doing a fried rice. Cauliflower, like I say, equal parts roughly there. I've steamed this for like 3 or 4 minutes. You could be doing this from raw if you want, but this kind of gives it a nice little head start and it just works really well in the pan. 1 onion, just chopped it up there. Some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Garlic, like a tablespoon of garlic. Teaspoon of turmeric. We're going to add a little bit of salt, pepper. Start us off with some oil. That's it. It's super easy. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so we're going to need some sort of pan. I've got my favourite copper pan at the moment, which I really love. Got some oil in there, using a sunflower oil. Maximum heat, really high heat, all the way here. Let's drop in that onion. 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Fantastic. Just drop that garlic in there now. If you want it, you could put a bit of ginger in here as well. Salt, black pepper, and then we're going to put in our steamed cauliflower. About 3 minutes now. High heat, keep it moving. Okay, fantastic. This could not be easier, could it? Let's just get that turmeric in. Just a little teaspoon. Now I'm really lucky that this cooker really does pump out a really super high heat. But yeah, just make sure you're on a maximum heat of what you're doing at home there. Now we're going to get our rice, like I say, cold rice. I'm using a basmati. And for about 5 minutes now, high heat. Keep this moving. If we get a little bit of brown or even blackening on the rice, I'm super happy. Okay, can you hear that? That's the rice frying. You really need that. I've seen so many people make fried rice and they just sort of mix it in for about a minute and then call it a day. That's not how you do it. You've really got to fry it. Okay, that's been going for about 4 or 5 minutes now. I'm loving that. Off goes the heat. Let's drop that cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, in. One last little mix. And we've got ourselves a really simple but super tasty cauliflower fried rice. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.